If 90% of the people fall in this category and very few people fall in the person B category, how exactly do the banks make money? Now, of course, not many people fall in the person B category. Majority of the people who know or who are aware of how credit card works and who are careful with their finances, they would be falling in the person A category. So now the question arises, so if you're a person A, how do the banks make money? Say for example 90% of the people fall in this category. If 90% of the people fall in this category and very few people fall in the person B category, how exactly do the banks make money? Another thing to remember is if you allow the interest to accumulate, interest is going to accumulate exponentially and it is going to be extremely difficult to pay off credit card debt. But also remember that credit card interest and credit card absolute amounts are very low. So when you're talking about banks which deal with like billions of dollars, these numbers don't add up anywhere for them, even if like 10% of the people don't pay credit cards on time. So bank gives you a card, right? It could be provided by Visa, MasterCard, or any other company like Diners Club. There are others too. This goes to the shop, okay? Here, shop is nothing but a business. It could be any business. It could be even a restaurant. But let us say in the shop, you use this card. So you have a customer who uses this card, who uses the card. And then, customer pays off the bank. Okay. Now, shopkeeper, what does the shop do? Shop has something called a card machine, right? You have those cards where you swipe or you tap, this card machine, right? It is nothing but called the point of sale machine. So this machine actually involves costs because you're tapping a card, you're not providing actual money to the business. So the shop needs to pay for this machine to both the Visa and the bank, both of them. Okay. So they have a lot of fees associated with the card machine if someone needs to use a Visa or a MasterCard. So now, why then does the shopkeeper keep this card machine? Why doesn't he just use cash? The answer is simple. The banks currently give credit cards to almost every person. If it is not credit cards, they at least give a debit card. And also, people love to carry cards rather than a big wad of cash. So people by nature have moved to plastic cards. So the shops are forced to have the card machines in order to make sure that they maintain the business. So these are the ones who are going to pay the bank for maintaining this card machine along with the card provider. So basically I'm just trying to give you a picture of how the bank make money, okay, with credit cards. How exactly these guys, if customer is someone like A, how exactly the banks would make money. So this was all about credit cards. You guys have to be a person A rather than B for you to actually make the best use of credit card. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and thank you so much for watching. See you all next time. Bye.